Hello friends, I'll teach you how to use Facebook offline. This setting will help you other people don't know you offline or online. If you want to use your Facebook offline, so you can go to the Facebook first and light Facebook. You can open the light Facebook and you can go to the message box, message button. So you can click there. After that you can see the setting. You can see the setting logo, setting button, and click there. After that you can see the active status. So there, yeah, now on, but we have to close this button. Click there and turn off. Yeah, this finish. After that you can go to the messenger. You can go to the messenger also you need to offline. You can go to the messenger and then click the three line. You can see the chat on left side. You can see the three line, so click there. After click you can see this interface and you can click the setting button. You can see the setting logo. Click there. After that you can see this interface. You have to click on active status and then you can click on blue button. Click there. After that you can see this interface. You can choose until I change it. Yeah, you can choose other option also, like for 1 hour and for 8 hour until 8 a.m. like this you can choose. And after that finish, you can using now offline Facebook Messenger, so other cannot see you online. You using offline messenger. So this is complete. And if you like this video, please subscribe, share. Thank you.